Many people are confused as to the age at which it is legal to drink alcohol in a pub or restaurant or other public place, and that is what I'm seeking to address in this video today. You may have noticed we're here on Easy Chinese Cooking because it's food or drink related, so make sure you subscribe here too. So let's get straight to it. In England and Wales, you can be stopped, fined or arrested by the police if you are under 18 and drinking alcohol in public. Now, if you're under 18, it is also against the law for someone else to sell you alcohol, to buy or to try to buy alcohol, or for an adult to buy or to try to buy alcohol for you. And finally, to drink alcohol in a licensed premises, which includes a pub or a restaurant. However, here comes the interesting part, because if you're 16 or 17 and you're accompanied by an adult, you are allowed to drink, but you can't buy it. You can drink beer, you can drink wine, cider with a meal. And there's a slight overlap here. If you are 16 or under, you may be able to go to a pub or premises that is otherwise used to sell and serve alcohol if you're accompanied by an adult. However, this isn't always the case, and it does depend on the rules of the premises because they can have their own conditions of entry, so they may simply turn you away. However, one sure and simple thing you should remember, that it is always illegal to give alcohol to children under the age of 5. One misconception, however, is that if you are working in a restaurant and you are under the age of 18, many people think that you cannot serve alcohol. Well, yes, you can if you are 16 or 17, but as long as the license holder or the bar manager has approved the sale of said alcohol. So the next time you are out for a meal with your parents or with your children, whether you can drink alcohol with a meal, hopefully you can refer back to this video and get a little bit of clarity. So please make sure you like the video, subscribe, and thank you for watching.